Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to water marble. Right, okay, so the only materials that you need in order to water marble are a mug. I've just got a plain white one here. Some nail varnish in whatever colour you choose. It doesn't have to be an expensive brand or anything, so I've just got quite a cheap one here. And a container with some just plain tap water inside. I do have a mark across the container just so I can get a consistent pattern each time that I water marble each mug. But if you're doing quite random designs and random patterns, then you can put the level of water however high or low you want. And all you're going to do is give the nail polish a quick shake and then pour out as much as you want. I like to blow kind of the little lumps out as well, just so it's a bit more even. And it should look like that there, and then you're just going to quickly dunk your mug straight in. You don't want to leave it too long. And just leave it in for a few seconds, and then once you're done, take it out, give it a little bit of a shake, and you're done. And you just need to put that to one side to dry for about an hour. But as you can see, you get all the nice water marble patterns on in whichever colour you've chosen. And there you go. Now hopefully you know how to water marble. I will say this, I've looked at other tutorials and watched other tutorials, and they do recommend putting a layer of Mod Podge or PVA to protect the varnish. Mod Podge and PVA are water soluble, so they're just going to wash off after probably 2 or 3 washes. So instead what I've done with mine, I've applied a thin layer of varnish, just a matte varnish, over the colour to help it last longer. You can obviously use gloss if you want, or you can use matte, and I just did it halfway. I didn't want to go all the way to the top. But try to stay clear of Mod Podge and PVA because it just won't last. It won't last at all. Whereas varnish or a glaze or something like that, you've got a way better chance of the colour surviving through the washes. And you can play around. You can use different colours, different colour combinations together. Different ways of dipping. You can go kind of sideways in, or just even handle, or that way. It's completely up to you. Super fun. You could probably do it with your kids, and yeah, just have fun with it, play around, experiment. If you do like the ones that I've made, you can find them on my website. I'll pop a link down below in the description. I'll pop some other information down below as well. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give it a big thumbs up. And let me know down below in the comments if you've got any interesting craft projects that you'd like me to show you how to do or to have a go myself. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And there you go. Hopefully you know that. And there you go. Hopefully you know. And there you go. Now hopefully you know how to water marble. No. And let me know down below. What do I want them to let me know down below? I don't know. Interesting. And let me know down below if you've got any interesting craft projects that you'd like me to give you a go.